It's a huge responsibility, this device here, this miraculous organ that Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has blessed you and I with. One of the greatest pathways to your heart. It is like a gutter that is pouring into your heart, all what you feel inside of that gutter, and this is the pathway here. As the poet, he said, كل الحوادث مبداها من النظر ومعظم النار من مستصغر الشرر. He said, all calamities, they began with the glance, and all fires, they begin with a spark. So there's no point somebody posting a picture of himself, herself, and then they go, no pervs please, or you shouldn't be looking. Who told you to look? No. The one who told you to lower the gaze is the same one who told you to dress up appropriately and careful how you present yourself. It came from the same source, don't cut and paste. قُلْ لِلْمُؤْمِنِينَ يَغُضُّوا مِنْ أَبْصَارِهِمْ وَيَحْفَظُوا فُرُوجَهُمْ. Tell the believing men to lower their gaze and to protect their private parts. That will be purer for them. Allah, He knows what you are doing. And then He said, وَقُلْ لِلْمُؤْمِنَاتِ يَغْضُضْنَ مِنْ أَبْصَارِهِمْ. And tell the believing women to lower their gaze and to protect their parts and to not show their adornments except what is apparent from it. And then the ayah gives a description of the hijab. So the same ayah that tells men to lower their gaze and fear Allah is the same set of verses that tell our counterparts to fear Allah with respect to dress, presentation. That's balance, that's justice. The lowering of the gaze, most of it is not real, brothers. Dear sisters, you are aware of that. It's the whole fake it till you make it approach. You know that.